Let's review the Camplux off-grid shower. It's a tankless water heater that I purchased on Amazon. And that structure right there is the shower. So here's the setup. You can see I got this structure that I built. And out here, I have my water source, which is a 15 or 20 gallon tank, I can't remember. And inside this tub, I have a pump and a marine grade battery, 12 volt, hooked onto a switch. So to add water, it's fairly easy. You could dump it in, but I just picked up this transfer pump at Tractor Supply. Thought I'd try it out. And just like that, you can fill up your tank and you don't have to break your back. It's not the fastest method in the world, but it works pretty good. So between the tub, T111, and some tree branches, this stays very protected from the elements. Obviously I can't use it in the winter, so comes down in the off season. This right here is the battery box and pump setup, and a spider. So as you can see, it's pretty basic. All I have is a pump. It's a flow jet pump, and it's coming from my tank right there. Right here I installed a filter. It goes in the pump, out the pump, into the water heater. Hooked up a fuse, and this is a Napa marine grade 12 volt battery that surprisingly keeps a great charge. I think I trickle charge it once a year. So this is the structure. You can see it's good size. It's basically a building on top of a deck, an elevated outdoor deck. So if we go inside, airproof. That'll be the water heater. You can pick those up on Amazon. I believe they're roughly $150 or $120. I have a little heat shield. Comes with all the hoses and the shower head. And inside you can see that I just use some corrugated metal roofing. And I have a deck. There's the propane for your heat. And I put it on a switch to save my battery life. Camplux believe it's 1.5 gallons per minute, possibly. Not 100%. This knob right here, it's for your heat. Surprisingly, I keep it around minimum. It gets pretty hot. And that's going to be for the pressure. Same thing. Doesn't take much. So this is all you have to do. Open up the switch. Grab the shower head. And to make the water flow, all you do is hit this button. You can see that's on minimum. And I get a lot of pressure and good heat off of that. It's already very warm. Then you want to shut your water off. All you do is press this button and that activates the water, turning it on and turning it off. Pilot lit. Off. So now I'll show you how this activates just by turning it on. If you watch inside these holes right here, you'll see the pilot light. And that's how you get hot water off grid. You can see right here the hose setup. So basically the clear hose is coming from the water pump outside and into the tankless heater. The red hose is coming out and that goes to the shower head. And then this black hose is the propane. So after a year, would I pay $160 for one of these things? 100% yes. I believe back in the day when I purchased it, it was about 125 bucks when everything was a lot cheaper. But for $160 to have a hot shower off grid, you can't beat it. It's worth every penny. And it doesn't use a ton of water. Out of that tank, I'll probably get 3 or 4 showers. Hope you enjoyed the video.